Welcome artistic documentation. Good templates incorporate marketing-focused elements such as banners, pop-ups, and integrated promotional sections that can display time-sensitive deals, seasonal offers, or limited stock alerts. These trigger urgency and encourage immediate purchase decisions. Email subscription forms, blog integrations, and testimonial sliders further enhance credibility and communication, turning one-time visitors into long-term subscribers and advocates. For example, including customer reviews and star ratings directly under product descriptions within the template design helps potential buyers make faster, informed decisions. In addition, templates that support multimedia elements such as product videos, hover animations, and zoom-in images allow for an interactive browsing experience that replicates real-life shopping more closely, helping customers connect emotionally with the products. From a marketing perspective, templates with built-in analytics and marketing tool integrations, such as Google Analytics, Meta Pixel, or email marketing platforms, help track visitor behavior, conversion rates, and sales performance, enabling businesses to refine their strategies based on real data. Furthermore, modern templates are often built to integrate seamlessly with social media, enabling businesses to link products directly to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, thereby increasing visibility and cross-platform engagement. The easier it is for a visitor to share or interact with content, the more organic reach a brand can achieve. Brand storytelling also becomes more powerful with a well-designed template. The arrangement of visuals, copy, and calls to action can narrate a cohesive story about your products or services, appealing to emotions and values that drive purchasing behavior. For example, sustainable brands can use earthy tones, organic textures, and imagery that reflect their eco-friendly ethos, while luxury brands may opt for minimalist, elegant designs with premium typography and spacious layouts to reflect sophistication. Every element of a template from header to footer serves a strategic purpose in shaping how customers perceive the brand. Another essential factor is personalization. Many high-quality templates now include options for dynamic content, allowing businesses to tailor product recommendations and offers based on user behavior or location. When customers see products that match their interests or previous purchases, they are more likely to buy. A well-coded template allows integration with AI-based recommendation engines and chatbots, offering instant support and personalized suggestions that improve the shopping experience and retention rate. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching, feel free to join us in our group and earn more.